Hey tech lovers! Meet the new Honor Magic V6 smartphone. Ultra-thin and lightweight design, excellent performance, and amazing cameras. But is it actually worth its premium price? Let's break it all down. Let's start with its ridiculous thin and light design. The Honor Magic V6 is so thin that it makes some regular smartphones look like they skipped leg day. When folded, it barely feels like you're carrying a foldable. It's so slim, you'll spend more time checking if it's still in your pocket than actually using it. Outstanding battery life? Battery life is one of the Magic V6's biggest strengths. Thanks to its high-capacity silicone carbon battery, it comfortably lasts a full day, even with the large foldable display getting plenty of use. This phone has enough stamina to survive your doom scrolling and gaming, even if your thumb doesn't. What about its flagship-level performance? Powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon flagship chipset with plenty of RAM, the Magic V6 flies through multitasking, gaming, and productivity. Apps open so fast, you'll think they were already waiting for you. Excellent camera system. The main, ultra-wide, and telephoto cameras produce flagship-quality photos with impressive zoom and vibrant colors, making this one of the strongest camera systems on a foldable. When it comes to its gorgeous displays, both the outer and inner OLED displays are bright, colorful, and silky smooth with high refresh rates, making everything from reading to gaming a pleasure. Netflix looks so good, suddenly your couch becomes your full-time office. Yeah, let's see now what could be as drawbacks on this Honor Magic V6 phone. Like most flagship foldables, the Magic V6 doesn't come cheap. Buying this phone is easy, but explaining the credit card bill to your bank is the hard part. Does MagicOS still need refinement? MagicOS has improved significantly, but some interface choices and software features still aren't quite as polished as competitors like Samsung's One UI. What about getting warm during heavy gaming? Extended gaming or intensive workloads can make the phone noticeably warm. When it comes to theirs, foldable apps, those aren't always perfect. Most apps work beautifully, but occasionally you'll find one that hasn't fully optimized for foldable screens. Some apps see the big screen and immediately panic. Overall, the Honor Magic V6 proves that foldables have matured. It's exceptionally thin, impressively powerful, equipped with excellent cameras, and offers battery life that rivals many traditional flagship phones. While the software still has room to improve, and the price is undeniably premium, the overall experience is polished enough to make the foldable lifestyle feel genuinely practical. Good for people upgrading to their first premium foldable, productivity users who multitask frequently, and mobile photographers and content creators. Not good for buyers on a tight budget, those who prefer the simplicity of a traditional slab phone, and gamers who regularly push their phones to the limit for hours at a time. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.